Hey, how's it going? It's Brendan here, and I'm about to give you something ridiculous. 15 done-for-you campaigns, all proven to make money for less than $1 each. But that's just the beginning. I'm also going to show you exactly how to make $300 per day on autopilot. And then instead of letting you crash and burn to figure this stuff out all on your own, I'm going to do all the work for you 100% done for you. Now, what exactly does done for you mean? That's a good question. We will give you all the right pages, and we're going to set you up with the right offers. And we're going to put this together in the right way so that you don't have to do a single thing on your own. This is delivered instantly, which means you get access to it ASAP. Now, next question, is this actually proven to work? Well, I'll let you be a judge of our results here. You can see $784, $2,100, $3,600. And guess what, guys? All of these campaigns, all 15 of them, are now all yours, okay? To use as you wish. And don't forget, we're not leaving you on your own to figure this stuff out. We're actually going to show you exactly how to implement these campaigns the best way to get the best results possible, so that you can get this set up in minutes. And you know how long it takes for most online methods today. I can tell you it's not minutes, guys. Really, more like months for most of these methods, right? Screw that crap. You will have this ready to go in 10 minutes or less. Now, here's the cool part. This is actually easy. Even your grandma could do this because all you're really doing is copy and pasting. Now, sorry, grandma, but you don't need a website. You don't need experience. You don't need techie stuff. And best of all, you do not need to create any videos because we've already done them for you. Now, most online products are too time consuming. They're too expensive, or they just flat out don't work. You put in all the effort and you really get nothing to show for it. Here, we're doing it all for you, 100% done for you, and these are actually proven with results actually coming out of them, okay? So I have to ask, how much would this be worth to you to have a done-for-you business set up on your behalf? Would it be worth $1,000? Would it be worth $500? Think about it. We've done the testing for you. We did the trial and error, and these are the winners, okay? Proven to make money on demand, okay? $500 would be a steal, honestly. But how about $300 or $100? Okay, how about $12.95? That's less than $1 per done-for-you campaign that we're giving to you here. Now, I know that you're probably excited about this, right? But you might be wondering, why would we do something like this? Is this too good to be true? Now, think about it this way, guys. It costs us nothing to give these to you. We already created these campaigns for our own personal use and made a ton of money off of them. And secondly, with the click of a button, you can now clone all of our campaigns instantly and start benefiting from the same campaigns that we use. Now, be honest with me. Are you tired of buying make money methods that do not actually give you everything? They leave you to do the hard parts on your own and ultimately leave you nowhere. I hate seeing people put all the work in, follow all the boring steps of some outdated method, and then it doesn't even freaking work, okay? Losing both your valuable time and hard-earned money. I literally hate that crap. Now, excuse my French here, but the truth is, I want you to get results as fast as humanly possible, so let's skip all the time wasting and get you straight to the goods. Our exact campaigns, no wasted time, no complicated techie stuff, no website or hosting needed. We take care of that too. Quite frankly, you do not need anything at all for these campaigns. They're ready to go and activate instantly, proven to generate cash on demand. Now, again, you can see the results here, guys. These are the proven results that we got with these campaigns. On average, just one of these awesome campaigns makes us over $3,000 in commissions, and that's an average one. You're getting not one, not five, not seven, but 15 of our done for you campaigns. So let me just say this. This is tremendous value, right? But you might be wondering, Will these campaigns become saturated? No. Because there are millions of people interested in making money online, the market is overwhelmingly huge. There is no logical risk of saturation here. These campaigns will work as well next week as they do today, period. Okay. Now you might be wondering, how difficult is it to actually set these up? These campaigns activate instantly. Now, how nice would it be to have a method that actually works in the next few minutes? What you can really get for $13 these days is not very much, right? One Las Vegas martini, and I go to Vegas a lot, guys, costs over 20 bucks, right? Skip one drink at the bar and you can get a business done for you today. Now, does that sound good? The truth is, these are worth way more than just $1 each. You know it and I know it. But to make this a no-brainer for you, we'll even throw in 4 awesome bonuses with your purchase, but only if you buy during the launch week. Now, the first bonus is case studies on how we use these campaigns and how much money we made from each one that we implemented. I'm going to give you setup instructions on exactly how to set these up the right way to maximize your results with these. Instant profit boosters, which might not make sense now, but I'll explain this in the members area, and exclusive training from myself on how to build simple online profits that are actually automated. Now, that's an extra overall value, about 1,300 bucks. And folks, I think you realize I am being more than fair here. So if you're still watching this video and you haven't bought yet, ask yourself why, okay? What else do you need for your $12.95 investment? Now, every win I've had in my life came when I made a decision. Now, at this point, you have a decision. Will you regret investing just 13 bucks on your future, or will you regret doing absolutely nothing and wondering why your life just never seems to change, right? You need these campaigns. We're giving them to you cheap. Just do it already. Now, here comes a 30-day money-back guarantee, guys, so you don't really have any risk here anyways, and I cannot promise the cheap entry into this program forever. Thank you so much for watching our video, guys. Hope you guys have an awesome day out there. Either way, have an amazing day. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you inside the members area. Bye for now.